Page 14, Tuneful Dialogue. Common time or 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. We're either in C major or A minor. Well, look at the end. Last measure is C's. I'm guessing a C major. Right hand first. You just got quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. So just kind of get this. We're starting out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you can get all these notes nice, no hesitations or nothing, and do the same with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So work out the left hand so you can get all of that, and then go put them together. See, this is where each hand sort of has a mind of its own. The idea is it's a conversation or a duet between two instruments or two people, and each hand represents an instrument or a person, and they're each doing their own thing at the same time, and you have to keep it all straight. Well, good luck. So second line, quarter notes, but the notes, the fingers are all jumbled up. Work it out, go slow as you got to, but get rid of the hesitations. Make sure each hand is working properly while they're playing together. Then we can add the articulation, the slurs. So you're lifting up between each slur in the right hand, but the left hand, it's all slurred together. Second measure. Into the first line, both hands in a slur, so both hands come up before you start the second line. And again, the right hand comes up there in the second line at the end of the second measure, but the left hand is connected, so it's... So your slurring is a little different between the hands. That's okay. Dynamic-wise, there's not a lot going on with dynamics. Both hands are the same. Both hands have their own melodies, so both hands are playing the same loudness, whatever that you choose to. Moderately loud is what it says. If that's what you want to do, that's fine. Just somewhere in the middle. You decide. So the difference for me is I'm so used to playing the left hand soft all the time. Now I've got to force myself. Play the left hand a little louder. We want to hear the left hand too. Speed-wise, moderato is somewhere in the middle. You'll have to decide what that is. If you're walking someplace and you know where you're headed, but you're not in a hurry, that's about how fast you're going. If that's too fast for you, slow it down a little bit. 1, left. Same thing. You're not going to keep it all at one level, dynamic level. You're going to go up and down as you feel it. And that would be the hands individually. You might get a little louder in one hand, softer in the other, or vice versa, or whatever. So if you get to know it well enough that you can feel that, then you just kind of feel the dynamics, and you have to think of each hand independently while doing both at the same time. Good luck with all that. I like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, but just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.